with Sushant Sareen and Samit Patra, Ashok Pandit, Gaurav Arya, Majid Hydari, Waqar Bhatti, Muhammad Aqib, Renzu Shah. Welcome. Let me show you, Sushant, what a mathematician looks like. According to the Lutyens media, India has lost a mathematician of great repute today. Wherever you are seeing the Lutyens media today, Sushant, they say mathematician, mathematical genius, maths teacher. His only interest was maths. He was compelled to become a terrorist because India is bad. India makes mathematicians into terrorists. Sushant, I'd like to start by getting you into the debate with a small comment on the commentariat in Lutyens that has described Riaz Naiku as a maths teacher all day today.
I think that just shows their sick and depraved mindset. The fact remains that this guy was no Ramanujam or something. He was one of those Doduni Char type teacher. He was teaching in a local school. What kind of math he was teaching, nobody knows. And he became a math teacher because he had got no other job. And he got no other job because he was basically a lowlife. And the fact that you try and normalize and humanize a dreaded terrorist, a man who has been responsible for cold-blooded killing of even children, whom he suspected of, being informers and carrying out unspeakable crimes, to try and normalize him. Sometimes it's a headmaster's son, sometimes it's a maths teacher. I think it shows the depraved mindset of the people who write these kind of articles and try and cover up the crimes against humanity which these terrorists carry out.
Yeah.
So frankly, I have no sympathy for either the people who write these kind of pieces, these kind of trashy pieces and profiles. And there is, let's face it, Arnab, there is a school of jihadi journalism which has been promoted in this city. In Lutyens, Delhi in particular. I don't want to name newspapers on your channel, but there are very clear, the ringleader, who is the ringleader, who has trained all these guys in doing these kind of things, how they have spread out all over the world, how they have infiltrated in various media organizations and peddled a certain narrative. So that's a reality and nobody can deny that.
Yeah.
But look, let's face it, at the end of the day, this guy was a terrorist and he was killed in the way he was supposed to be killed. There was no other way he would have died. He lived for far too long than he should have. But I think today is a day of celebration rather than, quibbling about what some of these depraved people write.
Absolutely. When I began today by saying, and Majid Hydari is making clownish faces because maybe his arguments are going to be clownish. Samit Patra, this morning when I was discussing this,
I say many happy returns of the day.
These terrorists of the
Let's start on a good note. Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you for having given me the first break on electronic media. In debates, I thank you for that.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.